Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. Today we are going to learn something new. This is letter O with the phonetic sound O. O. Now, what is this? Do you know? Yes, this is O. O for orange. O. Now this is owl. O for owl. Owl. And this one, this is octopus. O for octopus. Okay, now just find out what is this. This is ostrich. O for ostrich. Ostrich. Very good. Let us write the letter O by using a sketch pen. Down, down, down. Make a big circle and then join it. This is O. Letter O. This is capital O. Now let's write small o. Just make a similar O but in small size. This is small o. Now we will learn how to write letter O in lines. Just trace on the dots. Letter O. Make a circle covering the first three lines. This is capital O. And for small o, make a small circle within two blue lines. This is small o. Now just trace and write rest of the alphabet on your own. I hope you all understood. Till then, bye bye and have a good day.